In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a striking white outline on images, perfect for YouTube thumbnails, using Adobe Photoshop. This process is quite effective in making your thumbnails pop and catch the viewer's attention. So let's get started and let me guide you through the step-by-step process. First, let's open up Adobe Photoshop on your computer. If you haven't already done so, make sure you're using a version that supports these features, as this will ensure the tools we're going to use are available and up to date. Once you have Photoshop open, you'll want to bring in the image you wish to edit. Simply click on File in the top menu, then select Open and choose the image from your files. This is the image you'll be adding that eye-catching outline to, so make sure it's the right one. Next, you're going to select the specific object in the image that you want to outline. To do this, we'll use the Auto Select Subject tool, which is a handy feature that allows Photoshop to automatically identify and select the main subject of your image. It's located in the toolbar on the left. Just click on the tool and allow Photoshop a moment to process and outline your subject. Now that your subject is selected, let's make a copy of it. This ensures that we won't accidentally edit the original image. To do this, simply press Ctrl+J on your keyboard. This shortcut command will create a new layer with just the selected object. You'll see the new layer appear in your Layers panel on the right side of the screen. Once you have your copied object, let's move this new layer onto a different canvas, which will ultimately be used for your YouTube thumbnail. Create a fresh canvas by going to File, then New, and select dimensions that work for YouTube thumbnails. A common size is 1280 by 720 pixels. With your new canvas ready, simply drag your copied object from the Layers panel onto this thumbnail canvas. With the copied image now on the new canvas, it's time to add the white outline. Look to the bottom of your Layers panel and click on the FX icon. This icon stands for Layer Styles and provides a number of effects you can apply to your image. From the pop-up menu, select Stroke. This is where the magic happens. In the stroke settings, you can choose white as the color for your outline, and you'll want to adjust the size to your preference. Ensure the position is set to outside for the best effect, and play around with the size until you achieve that perfect outline look. And there you have it. Your image with a bold white outline is ready for your YouTube thumbnail, helping it stand out with professional flair. Thank you for watching and enjoy making your thumbnails shine.